subtract the last digit from the new number, means 133 minus 1, that is 132. Now is 132 divisible by 11? Yes, 11 into 12 is 132, because 11 11s are 121 and remaining 11 only. So 121 1 plus 11 132. 11 into 12 is 132. So that's why this is another test of divisibility for 11. Let's try this test with another number, 5446. Okay, follow the same rule. Remove 6 and subtract from the remaining number. So 544 minus 6, right? So it becomes 538. Now is 538 divisible by 11? Again try the same rule. 53 minus 8, that is 45. Is 45 divisible by 11? No. That's why 538 is not divisible. That's why 5446 is not divisible. See here, the problem with this test is only if you have bigger digits. Suppose if I give you 10 digit number, then you will have to repeat this exercise on and on and on. But with the earlier test which we told you, that odd digits, sum of odd plus sum of even, subtract them. If the answer is 0 or multiple of 11, then it's divisible by 11. That's a bit easier for larger numbers. Okay. Then divisibility by 12. If the number is divisible by 3 and 4, then only it is divisible by 12. Right? Simple example. 16. 16 is divisible by 4 but not by 3. Therefore it is not divisible by 12. 24. Divisible by both 3 and 4. So it is divisible by 12. So the option over here is C plus B plus A should be divisible by 3. Next, given that the number 67y19 is divisible by 9, where y is a single digit, what is the least possible value of y? Okay. What is the divisibility test of 9? Just now we saw it. The sum should be divisible by 9. So add all the digits, 6 plus 7 plus y. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.